Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1101 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm so excited to try out these beautiful Ardell lashes. So these are the Ardell Natural 174 lashes. And I actually got these in my White Carpet Ready wedding makeup subscription box. So if you have not seen that unboxing, I'll have that video linked in the description down below. But White Carpet Ready is a whole wedding preparation subscription, and one of the boxes gives you all of the eye makeup that you would need for your wedding. And these are the lashes that they chose to include in that. And I think these lashes look perfect. They have a nice invisible band. They have a couple layers to them, so they look really fluttery, natural, and they get a little bit longer towards the outer corner, which will help lift the eye. So here are what they look like. So excited to put them on. And what I also love is that they are pretty affordable. You can get them at Ulta for $4.99, and actually on the Ulta website they have almost a 100% 5-star review, which you know is very promising from Ulta. So before I actually can get these on my eyes, I have a couple steps I have to do. So I am going to try these out with and without an eyeliner. Since they have an invisible band, I might not necessarily need an eyeliner, but typically when I wear false lashes, I like to line my upper lash line. So I'm just taking my Estate Precision liquid liner, and I'm just going to do a little line along my top lashes here. I love this eyeliner. It's so precise. It does not dry out at all. It's so gentle on the eye. It's seriously the easiest eyeliner to use. I have a full dedicated review video on this eyeliner, and I actually have a discount code for 10% off your Estate purchase. So I'll have this linked in the description down below. I'll have this actual product and I'll have my review video. But then the next step is to see if I need to trim anything from these lashes or if they'll just fit my eyes as is. All right, so I'm just gonna place it on my eye and we will see. Because if your lashes are too long, it'll really drag down your eye. But I don't think I really have anything to trim. Yeah, these are a good size for me. A lot of times I don't have to trim anything from the lashes, but it all depends on your eyes and your eye shape. But so next I'm going to take my lash glue. This is just one of my go-to lash glues. It's the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive with biotin and blueberry extract. It's the Lash Couture. And so I'm just going to brush the glue. And yeah, I'm not like a super expert at applying lashes. I actually apply my lashes with my fingers because I struggle so much to use a lash applicator or tweezers. So I'm just blowing on the glue a little bit, let it get tacky, and let's see how it does. What I'm noticing right away is that it's very easy to apply. It's a nice flexible band. It's very light. It's not stiff, uncomfortable at all. I can get it right onto my natural lashes. And since these lashes are so fluttery, you can't even see a separation between the lash, the false lash, and my natural lashes. Like they just blend in perfectly. And that's something that I prefer in my lashes, is I want them to look natural enough. Like I don't want them to look too crazy obvious that people can't help but stare at your lashes because they look so odd. Like these look pretty and natural enough that I feel like my boyfriend wouldn't realize that these are false lashes. But just look at what that does to the eye with it versus without it. Like this eye looks so much bigger. It looks so much more dramatic and pretty. I feel like this eye shape is more lifted because of the longer lashes on the end here. So yeah, I absolutely love these. Right now I'm applying the glue to the other lash. I'm really curious how this is going to look without the eyeliner and if I can get away with wearing these without the eyeliner. I really am just loving how light these are. Like there is no like weight difference on my eye with the lashes versus without them. And now the other lash is applied and it's so beautiful. I mean, I feel like from a little bit of a distance on camera, you can't notice the lash band at all. Like it's a really good invisible lash band. But then like if you're looking up close and you're kind of looking for it, you can still see just like a little, you know, like the line. Like you can see that there are lashes stuck on if you're looking close and looking for it. But you also can definitely get away without the eyeliner. I really like how both eyes look. I think maybe if I were to have to choose which eye I like better, I'd probably choose the eyeliner just because it makes it just look a little bit more hidden and natural. But that's me being super picky. It still looks so natural without the eyeliner. But these lashes are so great, so comfortable, but I just feel like they are the perfect length, the perfect fullness, the perfect shape, just all around perfect. So definitely the ideal wedding lash. But this is just a lash that I would wear every day, and I love that it's only $5 and you can reuse these. So I think they're so worth it and definitely a style that I want to pick up some more of the next time I am at Ulta. I think they might even carry this at Walmart. When I was looking online, it said that it was on clearance, so I'm not sure if Walmart will be carrying these that much longer, but if I can get any on clearance at Walmart, I want to really stock up in these because it's everything I want in a lash. So I'm just so excited that these are the lashes that came in the white carpet ready box and that now I have found a new favorite lash. So let me know in the comments down below what your favorite lashes are. It's been a little while since I've put on lashes and this just makes me want to wear lashes all the time. It really does transform your eyes. So I definitely want to try out more and I'd love to get some recommendations. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.